Riya was the kind of kid who always had a plan. Whether it was organizing a surprise birthday party for her best friend or crafting an elaborate chart for saving pocket money, Riya believed in doing things right. She was curious, clever, and just a little bit stubborn. Her parents often called her the little detective because of how she noticed everything. One bright Saturday morning, Riya was riding her bicycle to the local library. The summer sun was out, birds were chirping, and she had a fresh book on mystery waiting to be read. As she zoomed down the sidewalk, something caught her eye near a bench under the big banyan tree at the corner of the street. She hit the brakes, turned around, and pedaled back. There, half hidden under the bench, was a brown leather wallet. Riya picked it up cautiously. It was a little worn, but still neat. She opened it slowly, half expecting a spider to jump out. Inside were several crisp 500 Indian rupees notes, a driving license, an ATM card, and a few family photos. The name on the license read, Mr. Rajiv Mehra. Riya's heart began to beat faster. That was a lot of money. Enough to buy a brand new bicycle. At least 3 mystery novels. And a year's worth of chocolate bars. For a moment she imagined what it would feel like to keep it. No one had seen her pick it up. She could take a few bills and drop the wallet at the police station anonymously. Who would know? But then she looked at one of the photos. It showed Mr. Mehra with a little girl about Riya's age, smiling and holding hands at what looked like a zoo. Riya sighed. She hopped back on her bike, wallet tucked into her backpack, and rode straight to her mom's tailoring shop. "Mom," she called, bursting through the door. "I found a wallet." Her mother looked up from her sewing machine. "A wallet? Where?" Riya told her the whole story while her mom listened carefully. When she finished, her mom said, "You did the right thing by bringing it here. Let's see if we can find Mr. Mehra's contact information." They looked through the wallet again. On the back of the license they found an address, not far from the library. "Let's go together," her mom said, taking off her measuring tape. "We'll return it ourselves." As they walked toward the address, Riya felt nervous. What if Mr. Mehra didn't believe them? What if he thought they had taken something out? When they reached the house, it was a modest one-story building with potted plants in front and a small nameplate, Mehra family. Riya rang the bell. A moment later, a man in his 40s opened the door. He looked tired and worried. "Yes. Are you Mr. Rajiv Mehra?" Riya asked, stepping forward. "Yes." Riya opened her backpack and held out the wallet. "I found this near the banyan tree. It had your license inside." Mr. Mehra stared in shock. He took the wallet with trembling hands, flipped it open, and counted the money quickly. "Everything's here," he whispered. His eyes turned glassy. I thought I'd never see this again. Thank you. Thank you so much." Just then a little girl peeked out from behind him. "Dad, is it back?" Mr. Mehra nodded and smiled. "Yes, sweetheart. This kind girl returned it." Riya blushed. I was coming back from the hospital, he said. My mother had surgery yesterday. I must have dropped the wallet while waiting for the taxi. I didn't even realize until hours later. He reached into the wallet and pulled out 2 notes. Please take this. As a thank you. Riya shook her head. No thank you. I just wanted to do the right thing. Mr. Mehra smiled wider. You've done more than that. You've restored my faith in honesty and kindness. On the walk home, Riya felt lighter than she ever had. Her mom gave her a side hug and said, I'm proud of you. Later that night, Riya wrote about the experience in her journal. Today I learned something big. It's easy to imagine what we could get if we just take what isn't ours. But what we gain by doing the right thing lasts much longer. A man smiled because of me today. A girl saw her dad happy again. That's worth more than all the chocolates in the world. The next day something unexpected happened. A story appeared in the local newspaper titled, Young Girl Returns Lost Wallet with 5,000 Indian Rupees. Honesty Still Lives. There was even a photo of Riya, taken shyly by Mr. Mehra when she had returned the wallet. Her school principal called her on stage during assembly. Riya has shown all of us that doing the right thing takes courage. Let's all take a page from her story. That afternoon, as she unlocked her bicycle, she noticed a little envelope tucked into the basket. Inside was a note. For Riya, thank you for reminding us of what really matters. The Mehra family. And a bookstore gift card. Riya grinned from ear to ear. She didn't need money to feel rich. She already was. The end.